What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be checking out the BeBe FX from ColorKey. This is a nice, compact, all-in-one light show, the perfect party starter. Whether or not you're throwing a house party, a birthday party, or you're a mobile DJ looking to add a little bit of extra spice to your setup, dude, the BeBe FX has got it all. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So opening the package, right here on top, we have this notice letting us know that this has got a 3-year warranty when you register it. So by default, the product is gonna come with a 2-year warranty from ColorKey, but you can get that extra year just by simply scanning that QR code and registering your product with ColorKey. We got a little mounting bracket here for those that wanna mount it up high, and the BeBe FX power cord. Nice packaging, keeping it protected. And there it is. Just look at how small and compact this guy is. We have a QR manual, and what fell out in front of me is the BeBe FX IR remote. Now, this is actually one of the coolest remotes we have right now. I mean, every time they're getting better and better. You can access everything right from this little remote, but let's jump into that after we check out the product. So this is the BeBe FX, and there's a lot going on for such a small little package. So just moving from my left to the right, we have a laser, we have this nice 4-beam effect, you'll see it here in a second. We have the RGB halo that you're seeing across all of our product lines. We have this really cool party dome, another 4-beam effect, and capping it off with a laser. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 effects in such a small, compact little package. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm just gonna need some power here. All right, perfect. All right, so we got it plugged in and it's powered up right into auto program mode. Let's kill some of these lights and see what it looks like. All right, now that we have these lights turned off, you can see just how much light the BeBe FX is putting off. I mean, look at the 2 rotating heads with the RGBW beams dancing around the room. You have the really cool party dome in the middle, just jamming away. You have the eye candy halo ring moving and the red and the green lasers doing their thing. There is so much going on in this all-in-one package party starter. Now, what's super cool about the BeBe FX is it actually does have DMX capabilities. You can control every single one of these elements individually. But now I know a lot of you don't want to care about DMX, you don't want to get into it, and that's why we have the included IR remote. This is hands down the easiest way to control your BeBe FX. And if you have multiple BeBe FX, you can control them all right from the same remote. So let's go over a couple easy functions. Obviously, we're gonna have on and off, but the auto program modes, the sound active modes, and the color palettes are so accessible. So we're already in auto program 1. We can easily jump to auto program 2 or even your sound active modes. But now maybe you want to dial in on a specific color. You can just hit red. Now all your lights are red and those lasers are turned off. Maybe you want green with no lasers, blue with no lasers, white with no lasers, or you're a laser fanatic and you just want the lasers. You see, you can do it all right from the IR remote. Super, super easy. We'll go back into auto program mode here and let it party. All right, everybody, that is the BeBe FX from ColorKey, the all-in-one party starter package. Go check it out at your favorite retailers, and of course, visit us at ColorKeyLED.com to learn more. Until next time.